Write a short note on partial disablement. Partial disablement means a condition in which a workman suffers an injury that does not completely destroy his ability to work but reduces his capacity to earn wages. According to Section 2G of the Employees Compensation Act 1923, partial disablement may be either temporary or permanent. First, temporary partial disablement. Temporary partial disablement means a disability of a temporary nature which reduces the earning capacity of the workman in the employment in which he was engaged at the time of the accident. Suppose a factory worker suffers a hand injury due to an accident and cannot perform his work properly for a few months. His earning ability is reduced for a temporary period. This is called temporary partial disablement. Second, permanent partial disablement. Permanent partial disablement means a disability of a permanent nature which reduces the earning capacity of the workman in every employment which he was capable of undertaking at the time of the accident. The Act further provides that every injury specified in Part 2 of Schedule 1st of the Employees Compensation Act 1923 shall be deemed to result in permanent partial disablement. For example, if a worker permanently loses one finger or suffers permanent loss of hearing in one ear due to an accident, his ability to earn is reduced permanently, although he can still perform some work. Conclusion. Thus, partial disablement refers to a condition where the workman's earning capacity is reduced but not completely lost. It may be temporary or permanent depending upon the nature and effect of the injury.